welcome to Review Weekly. Today I'm reviewing this cute little book called Lovely Little Patchwork with 18 Projects to Sew Through the Seasons. It's by Tuva Publishing and it's by Kerry Horsley, and I'm going to show you some of my favorite things in this. It was first published in 2016 and basically it just goes through some different things. So there's techniques in here that you can learn is foundation paper piecing, English paper piecing, raw edge, applique, and it just goes through there, straight line quilting, etc, etc. And each of the projects basically go through, like there's winter, summer, spring and autumn, and she's just got the book set out in that way. Goes over some of the basic tools, and then it dives straight into, like, the first part of the book is quite extensive through all the different techniques, and then it dives into the projects, and I'm loving that vintage machine. That's absolutely gorgeous. So then, as I said, it dives into the projects and it starts off with winter and it goes through the seasons from there. So some of my favorite ones are the heart-shaped patchwork hearts for coasters, and they've got a little bit of rickrack in them. I find them to be very appealing. It was what drew me to the book to begin with, and you can actually find this book on our website. The next thing that I really love in this one is a cross-stitch sewing book. So basically it's a patchwork block and it's got a little bit of cross-stitch in it, and then it's got compartments to hold all the bits and pieces that you would use for cross-stitching. It's even got a little bit of English paper piecing and also some binding techniques. So you actually from this project learn quite a bit, especially if you're a beginner. My next favorite thing is this little pot holder here. It's absolutely gorgeous. Again, you're learning a little bit about applique and also some English paper piecing in there, and this binding is being sewn on by the machine, so you'll learn that technique as well. So it's a good little book to work through. It's got some gorgeous little projects in it, and they're small and quick. It's even got some doll making as well, which is quite a nice touch. She's very cute too. And this one here is, I absolutely love this. I actually want to do this up for myself to put all my friction pens in, and because it's got a little bit of English paper piecing with some small hexagons, and it's got a lovely lace zipper in it, and it lays quite flat as well, and it's also got some big stitch quilting on it as well. So that's a really good project to learn quite a few things from. Installing a lace zipper, which we have a video on how to install lace zippers, and I'll link that up down below and also in the card, so you can go and have a look at that. And I've also got some basic English paper piecing videos to set down for this coming year as well, so you'll be able to follow along with those, but you'll get the hang of it with this. And of course in the back you've got all the templates for all the projects, even the cute little cross-stitch one for the cross-stitch book, and it's also telling you what threads to use and all the rest of it. So that is the book. It's listed over on our website. If you like this video today, give us a thumbs up down below, leave us a comment and tell us what you thought, and do you have the book and have you made any of the projects out of it. Don't forget to join our Facebook group so you can share your pictures with us, and also if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon beside it, and that way you won't miss out on any future posts. My name's Nicole Reid for Darvanalee Design Studio, and this is Review Weekly, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye for now.